Once you really get into woodworking, it's the details that matter. Sure, you could join any two pieces of wood by simply nailing them together. But if you want to make a beautiful finished product that's free from nail holes, wood filler, and blemishes, then a biscuit joiner is a must-have for your workshop. There are many products available to choose best biscuit joiner, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Makita PJ7000 Plate Joiner. If you're looking for an all-around biscuit joiner that really holds its own, the Makita is worth checking out. This barrel-handled biscuit joiner has a 5.6 amp motor that produces up to 11,000 RPM, allowing you to cut through the densest woods for woodworking projects. It weighs just 5.5 pounds, has a maximum cutting depth of 3/4 inch, and includes a carrying case as well as a 4-inch carbide-tipped blade. The Makita offers lots of adjustability. The fence has a rack and pinion vertical adjustment that allows you to dial the joiner into the perfect height. You can also adjust the fence between 0 and 90 degrees, with positive stops at 0, 45, and 90. This joiner tool also has 6 different depth adjustments, with 1 touch stops for standard biscuit sizes. Number 2. DEWALT Biscuit Joiner Kit. The DEWALT might be just the ticket if you're looking for a high-quality biscuit joiner with a heavy-duty motor. This joiner features a 6.5 amp motor that runs up to 10,000 RPMs, capable of cutting through dense hardwood. The DEWALT has plenty of high-end features. The fence has dual-sided vertical rack and pinion adjustments, which aims to keep the blade and fence as parallel as possible. You can adjust the fence between 0 and 90 degrees, with a positive stop at 45 degrees. The DEWALT comes with a carbide blade, Torx key, wrench, dust bag, and a soft bag for storage. It also includes a vacuum attachment, allowing you to hook your shop vac or dust collection system to the dust port for simple cleanup. Number 3. VonHaus Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner. The hallmark of a great value is excellent performance for a reasonable price. Offering precisely that, we think the VonHaus Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner is one of the best biscuit joiners for the money. It's priced affordably, yet still packs in plenty of power and necessary features. With a powerful 8.5 amp motor turning the blade at 10,000 RPM, you'll be able to make clean cuts easily in any type of wood. You can preset the depth to work with common biscuit sizes like 0, 10, and 20. This joiner has an adjustable fence that can be tightened in any position. However, it doesn't have stops at the most common positions, which is a noticeable drawback. But the whole machine is pretty light at just 7.4 pounds, making it easy to use vertically for cutting holes in the faces of boards. Number 4. Porter Cable 557 Plate Joiner Kit. Over the years, we've been impressed by many Porter cable tools, so we weren't surprised at the great performance from the 557 Plate Joiner Kit. To be fair, it's definitely one of the more expensive options. But with such great features, we think the price is warranted. Unlike other joiners we tested, this one can use 4-inch or 2-inch blades for standard-sized and fine cuts. There's even a stop at 90 degrees, so you can always be sure that 90 degrees is correct. Most of the joiners we tested offered 3 preset depths, but the Porter cable offers 7 different stops for biscuits of all sizes. At just 7.5 pounds, it's a lightweight and manageable machine, which comes in handy when using it vertically. We also liked the dust port with vacuum attachment that kept our workspace tidy, so we could always properly line up our cuts. Number 5. REXBETI Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit. We've used REXBETI tools before, but they're not a well-known manufacturer like DEWALT or Makita. Still, their wood biscuit plate joiner kit has a lot to offer. To start, the fence adjusts from 0 degrees 90 degrees with stops at 0 degrees, 45 degrees, and 90 degrees for accurate angles. We weren't thrilled with the trigger, though. The adjustment screws are also poorly made. They tend to loosen during use, causing your angles to be off after a few cuts. We like the affordable price of the REXBETI joiner, but with loosening parts and a poorly designed trigger, it's not going to be a favorite of ours anytime soon. At least they include 100 biscuits with the purchase. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products as